Welcome, friends, to the Forest Connection. Today we'll journey through the four elements: earth, water, fire, and air, calling on their unique energies to bring balance, healing, and renewal. So find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, doesn't really matter, and allow your body to begin to relax. If you have the opportunity to be outside, maybe in the forest, a park, your backyard, or could just be on your patio, that will actually help you to enrich the experience of connecting with nature. So let's begin. Close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and gently exhale through your mouth. With each breath, let your body grow softer, your mind quieter. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Calming breath in through your nose. Hold. Release a slower breath out through your mouth. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now imagine yourself standing in a peaceful, natural space, surrounded by the beauty of all four elements. Now connect with the first element, the earth. Feel the ground beneath you. It's solid, steady, and dependable. Visualize roots extending from your body into the rich soil, anchoring you deeply into the earth. With every inhale, draw up the earth's strength and stability. With every exhale, release tension and fear into the ground. Let it be absorbed and transformed within the ground. Let the earth remind you that you are supported, you belong, and you are strong. Now, if your mind wanders, it's okay. Just bring it back to your breathing. Now let's connect with the water. Hear the gentle trickle of a stream nearby. You can see its clear water moving effortlessly over smooth stones. Now imagine yourself stepping into the stream. You can feel the cool water washing over you. Let it carry away any emotional heaviness, cleansing and renewing you. Feel yourself becoming more fluid, just like the water. Able to adapt, to let go, to flow with life's currents. Now connect with the fire of the earth. Imagine ahead. A small, warm fire glows. Its flames are dancing. They're casting a golden light all around. Now step a little closer to that fire and feel its gentle heat. That fire is the spark of life, the energy that fuels change and growth. Allow its warmth to fill you, igniting your passions, your creativity, and your inner light. Now release anything that no longer serves you into the flames. Watch it transform into pure energy and possibility. All those things that no longer serve you are now gone into the fire and transformed into pure energy and possibility. And finally, connect with the air. Lift your face a little bit towards a soft breeze. Feel that breeze brushing against your skin. It feels light and almost freeing. With each breath that you take in, draw in that fresh, clear energy from that breeze, from the air, into your lungs. With each breath out, let go of cluttered thoughts and mental fog. With each breath in, draw in that fresh air into your lungs, allowing you to relax more and more. With each breath out, let go of anything that does not serve you anymore. Air lifts your spirit, reminding you of your freedom to expand, to dream, to see the horizon beyond the horizon. Now bring your awareness back to the space around you. Feel the balance of all four elements within you. The stability of earth, the renewal of water, the passion of fire, and the clarity of air. Take one final deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Stay in this relaxed state as long as you wish. There's no hurry today. Connect with the earth's elements. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and carry this elemental harmony into the rest of your day.